Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to link Binance with Twitter or X. First of all, you can open the Binance application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can just simply go to the you can just simply tap on the arrow icon that is next to your user id or profile picture. Tap on it, and here you can see the last option, that is Twitter or X. Tap on it, and after this you can just simply tick this option, I understand, agree and consent to these terms above. And now you can tap on connect account, and it is a way you can connect Binance with Twitter or X if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.